Gang, what's up, squad? Today we're going to make YouTube videos. This is going to be my first YouTube channel, you guys. So please like and please subscribe. And we will be doing shout outs and stuff up on this channel. So anyway, let's get started. You can have you like a bunch of slime. This is not going to be a slime making video, so I'm sorry guys, but I will tell you how to make the slime. First, you are going to need 1 bottle of glue. Okay, then you're going to need a container or like a stirring object, and then you are going to need Tide or whatever you use as your activator, but I suggest Tide. Not too much, not too little. But if you want yours to be like really slimy, you can use a little. But if you want yours to be kind of hard, don't use a lot, but don't use a little, okay? But anyway, your slime should turn out like this. The coloring is optional, okay? I probably messed up on this YouTube video, and I probably am going to right now. But first of all, let me show you what this YouTube video is going to be about. And yes, I did mark Jazz off of Perfect Laugh or JT Squad, whatever you want to say. But anyway, I really like her video, so I wanted to say what's up gang, what's up squad, you know. But anyway, it is like a few days after Easter, and you're going to need some decorations for next year. Now, if you want to like do your cousins like April Fool's Day, because like I don't know about you guys, but I say April Fool's all through the month because like April, you know, because it says April, it doesn't say like April the 1st Fools. So, you know. So, I don't know about you all, but I still like to do things. But, first of all, you can make things and then you can make them look like they are really eggs. And then, like, you can give them to your friends, your cousins, whatever you want to say. Anyway, I just dropped one of my eggs. It's a good thing that I have a bunch of more up on my couch. Now, I cannot find the right color that goes to these eggs up on my couch. Probably I'm sitting up on a few of them. But anyway, I'm just going to have to use blue and pink for it. So, I am going to get some slime. Now, up on my last video, well, it was like a YouTube video, but I sent it to my cousin to help her make things. Now, I didn't put a bunch of slime up in there. And that's why all of my eggs have been messing up. I realized that I wasn't putting enough slime in them. So, if you want your eggs to be perfect, put enough slime, you guys. Put enough slime. So, if I were you, I would put like over the amount of slime that you really should put. That way it'll be better. And since my egg is too small, I'm going to have to get up and find me another one. And here goes the one that matches, you guys. I'm sorry if you can't see me, but up on my next video you will. I just like could have found the right place to set up my phone. And you guys, I do not have a camera, but I will get one next year. I do not know what my YouTube name is going to be, but I want it to be something like Queen Naja's. And you guys, if you haven't heard her song yet, listen to Queen Naja Medicine and listen to Chris Sales Broke Her Heart. Now, Chris Sales, I do not like fool with you like that because like the stuff that you did to Queen. But, you know, I kind of like Broke Her Heart because like, I'm just playing, I hated that song. But anyway, what you did was really wrong, and I feel like you should apologize to Queen before you move on in your life, because Queen is not like hurting, but I feel like Queen still like feel like you owe her an apology for all of the stuff that you put her through. You guys, I kind of talk too much, so I'm just gonna be quiet if you want me to. I believe some of you do, so I'm just gonna shut up. I'm sorry that I'm not showing you everything, you guys, but if I were you, I'll get me some slime, fit it in an egg, any kind of egg. Do not use mixed match because like some of the eggs will not have the exact same fit. I just tried mixed match and they did not have the same fit, so I have found the right color to the egg. So now that I have this ready, I am going to like fit it up in here and stuff. You guys, I stutter, so sometimes I'm probably not gonna say the right things. If you want to, you can just put up in the comments what I really meant to say. You guys, I'm so happy that I'm about to start my YouTube channel. So my YouTube name is probably Queen Nasia, but then I probably overguessed it. So like you probably gonna have to look down to see what is my YouTube name because I probably had changed my name to something else. But my name probably is going to be like Queen Naya. And you wanna put the eggs together and then you look at this. Now let's see the other one. And now you have a what's the name? Egg dog. You guys, I just said that I'd be forgetting stuff sometimes, but you will have a what's the name egg. My prints were kind of up in it, so. But like you see, like the edges of it, like cut that off, you guys, or either peel it off. But I kind of did mine wrong, so we're gonna try again. I'm not gonna show you when I try again because like I don't want to like waste up all of your time and all of your data up on YouTube. So I'm just gonna like pause this and then I'm going to resume it when I get done.